Fresh money, baby.
Bro put boxing jaws 3-5 and scores for man if you want that. Don't talk like you're bad doing on that combat. Juice gon' spill like cognac. Whip that shit, don't stop till I lock that. Heard as I mash on cell, man, caught that. Verbal abuse is long act, stop that. Back out the masher, drop that, shot that. If you want Budger, man, got that. Band and TT, smash it and dot that. Chop that, countryside where the guaps at. Jumping pigs, you ain't bro, man, crop that. No whip, then pedal back, risky, flipped it. Back up my shank and dip it, ballistic. Pushing my shank and twist it. Peps and cling, that's Oreo biscuits. Man's machine coming with lead. Mission, mash for the bread. This great thing's way too fast, bitch. Pull up your jaws, I only want head. Man put dick down in her neck, or tongue, that's the best. Ejaculate in her mouth or pull out, ejaculate on her breast.
In the field, I'm air for stepping. More time I just smash down packs in the ends right now. I'm trying to get this bread in. Get round there and ching man up like anything B get wetted. No face, no case and levels. 4-door whip with serious members. My bro wanna lurk on ox, so we go around there on a 125. Bro don't whack man's face with the longest blade trying to take man's eye. I heard of the up boys ran with the shanks again and I weren't surprised. Creeps have 8 on piss, he raps that shit and he ran 10 times. Packs on me, brands on me, push back hitting them shoots. Pay Gallo, man for the B, feeling me and M scum too. My bros ain't down for the stunting, diggity grab that dots and shoot. Us man ain't like them man lie and we tell the truth. Gang, like 3 of my bros, June touch road. How many times have I ridden on bush that one of them boy gotta go? Back up my ting and make man swim like Ching man down on boats. Catch me up, then stab up his head, then 10 toes back to the grove. Then 10 toes back to the grove.
Friend of an op is an op, so I won't find a way to go burn that bridge. My nigga Huncho game 22 chings like a baby that's feeling pissed. Get round there, so my rise and flicks. J South put us all rams in the wig. My bro Diggity had a whole HR locked off when he crossed that bridge. If I get my hands on the op, I'm wetting him once, I'm wetting him numerous times. See a op right there, told bro don't jerk the car, just keep it moving in line. Aye, 4.5 got bags of ball and dust, man slap it in 10s. If I back my splash, he don't back it up, no leg shots, I'ma put it in chest. Like, bro's got a thing for dogs, teeth and cats, I ain't talking no pets. Brock down a 9 and flake, and whip it in Zeds. Let it dry then put it in peps. Cats them cool for the meds.
TT Flake 23 on the Tui. Jake's just passed, hope they don't do a Yui. OT, I don't like doing deals like Louis. Bad B like Uji. Upside with 2 G's like Gucci. Pour kettle water on it and watch it start bubbling. Straight drop, I ain't doubling. Use your chest, stop mumbling. Bro, I'm bookie. I'll take your food if my belly starts rumbling. They rap about booters, they ain't blam nobody. Hold that properly when I bang that dotty. I put sniffing a Rex and I slang that Bobby. TT make it blink, always answering my hottie. Left my worker in the trap. Well, I flew to the town and pedal back just to sweep some more cats. They ain't seeing no rats. I'm in and out of the trap. I left the door on a latch when I add it up. Take a one off with a short summer 011. But most of them are notes. Fuck Joe, fuck Jakes, fuck courts. Driller got 12 kai, turned something courts. Crosses, what's all the hate for? Is it cause I'm making dough that hate only push me to make more? I smash B, whip coke, smoke loud. Whip a Z26 back, no doubt.
Feds know my face from the days when I sold Budge. Comfy in my ends and I got beef on my own hood in the trap left. Cracks on the floor like Hulk wood. Gally said she like me cause I'm sweet and I'm so hood. Hospital. Nose full of tubes, got your soul shanked up cause your bros wanna screw M scum in the back. That's a problem for these youths. 10 toes, what, where? Don't get running out your shoes. I get busy on my own, I get busy on the roads. Keep on bragging about them Zeds till I clean up your home. Gotta keep my face down cause Cinny's kinda known. Come my hood's like a jungle, no Indiana Jones. Me and F was in the trap. You was busy getting plats. When your bro got touched, you'd even chipping for a strap. When I hopped off the ped, they did a 100-meter track. If Huncho never stabbed it, then it's probably my nigga Daps. Took you 20 shank goons, now you're only bringing whaps.
G9 Beats.
We the man tryna draw out. Could never be me. The last time I saw him, his just got bored out. I did that for the leaks. I ain't got no patience. Moving pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Moving pagans, man, get small like trees. 3 piece in the back, Kentucky. ST and bands for life, so I got round instantly with a bucky. That boy tried to love two for the drum, but he never got none, they lucky. That's on hammers, I ain't got no manners. His baby mum give me ucky. I swear that Andy got changed. Cops STAD and Pugs, I'm both of them push your things. Light skin made your team with swim. Hot block settings on violent things. I'm going equipped, heads and whips. Hands on hit to Jeezy trip, then he would've been pissed. The Jeezy trip, then he would've got dick. Creeps try to draw me out, I was locked in Josie, fucking dumb. How can his brother just shoot up his yard and nearly murder his mum? Get happy the female's back, and what has he fucking done? I swear a general's tracking trap rules, but he's a fucking bum. Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me, the last time I saw him he's just got bored out. I did that for the leaks, I ain't got no patience, pray for the pagans, man get small like trees. I ain't got no patience, pray for the pagans, man get small like trees. Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, he just got bored out. I did that for the leaks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees.
I back it out and then shove it in that duffel bag what the gun is in. Talking crap that ain't on the thing, man. Wrap the food up in fucking cling. Mention bro, get dropped, no talking in and no talking kid. Talking shit, then he got hit with a stick, but he claims that he walks with his. What you know about getting knocked down by an X5? That's on dick, so we brought us two. Mum said don't bring knives to a gunfight, so I listened up, so we grip and shoot. I remember jerking phones at lunchtime, now I'm sitting here with food to move. Fuck police, CID, they need to free on my jailhouse food. Skid up, stirring in bush, if that's your friend then why push? My team's hungry, trap line jumpy, free all the guys that it takes done took. Get round there, but the feds one look. Shout my plug, he's a brilliant cook. Shout my team with some brilliant cooks. Shout out bro, done a brilliant joke. Bro backs it from his jacket, big shotgun is what he's packing. If we pull up, do a madness, then it's to the hood, that's standard. And all this talk about whiz makes us pull up where you live. On no 1, 2 steps, 2 whips. Hello Ramses and the stick. Big dots on the ride, no question. Ain't gotta ask bro twice. 1, 2, 5. Big Yamaha or type. Bro's got his, I got mine. Step round 5. Oh boy, I can pay fine. Lucky guy weren't his time. Straight on sight. Dumb you say run eye. For this one I should make time. We slap it and then fuck off. We evacuate that scene. Them boy pull up their pants and leave. What's in the bag they don't wanna see. Done a one move, success man's pleased. Pissed that we couldn't say R.I.P. Officers come, enough blood get clean. Step the village dogs, then be mean. For the sawn off dots, unlimited teeth. This shit can't end, my shank don't bend and it's always on me. For the sawn off dots, unlimited teeth. This shit can't end, my shank don't bend and it's always on me. It's always on me.
Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, he just got bored out. I did that for the leaks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. Who the man tryna draw out? Could never be me. The last time I saw him, he just got bored out. I did that for the leaks. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees. I ain't got no patience. Pray for the pagans, man, get small like trees.
Hot, you know, I don't want ras, I don't want fuck with you because you what? Police all I watch you. See, the face good I watch you, right? Blood clot, no.
Ops can't fuck with a tug. We made the tridents come. More time it's a 9 and ting. I've been that silent one. Ops can't fuck with a tug. We made the tridents come. More time it's a 9 and ting. I've been that silent one. More time I'm been complacent. But bro got dropped, fuck with a go up. I stepped out, no hesitation. Man learned from the public station. Slow down cause there ain't no mistaking. And I've been trying to rate this caking. You can never hold it down like man cause my life's been aching. Police on my nuts is fucked, earned that luck, cases brought. Ops can't fuck with a tug. We made the tridents come. And this one look like an undie, nah, we don't supply that drug. In fact, do I look like a mug? Word man,